Welcome back to Tech Talk Trove. Today, we're diving into more advanced that will further enhance your JavaScript skills. In this video, we'll cover ES6 modules, which help organize your code, delve into classes to understand object-oriented programming in JavaScript, and finally, explore promises and async await to handle asynchronous operations efficiently. Modules are a way to organize and encapsulate code into separate files, making it easier to manage and reuse. To export a module, you use the export keyword. To import a module, you use the import keyword. In this example, we have two functions, greet and add numbers, in file1.js that we export. In file2.js, we import these functions and use them. You can also export a single value or function as the default export. In this case, we export the square function as the default from file3.js and import it in file4.js without using curly braces. Classes in JavaScript are a blueprint for creating objects. They encapsulate data with code to work on that data. In this example, we define a person class with a constructor that initializes name and age. The greet method prints a greeting message. Classes can inherit from other classes, allowing for code reuse and extension. Here, the student class extends the person class, adding an additional grade property and a study method. Promises are used to handle asynchronous operations in JavaScript. In this example, fetchData returns a promise that resolves after 2 seconds. The then method handles the resolved value. Async await makes it easier to work with promises by writing asynchronous code that looks synchronous. Here, the fetchData_async function uses the await keyword to wait for the promise returned by fetchData to resolve. The try and catch blocks handle any errors. Today, we covered advanced JavaScript concepts, including ES6 modules, classes for object-oriented programming, and handling asynchronous operations with promises and async await. In the next video, we'll explore more advanced topics in JavaScript, such as higher-order functions, closures, and more. Make sure to subscribe to Tech Talk Trove and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more JavaScript tutorials. Leave your questions or comments below. I'm here to help.